Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast. I'm Marcus Chen, joined by Sofia Rodriguez. Today, we're diving deep into Portable Content Factory, an AI-powered microcontent system for nomads, and how it can transform your life as a digital nomad. If you want to work smarter, earn more, and reclaim your time through AI, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
Quick hook. If you're a nomad juggling client work, time zone hops, and content that never gets posted, this episode is a blueprint. I'll show you a repeatable pipeline you can implement in a weekend that turns one long asset into a week of high-quality posts, emails, and clips. Automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary.
Let's start with the pain points. I hear from nomads every week. They have limited time, flaky Wi-Fi, inconsistent brand voice across channels, and unclear ROI on content. You plan a morning to batch produce, and by evening the draft sits unpublished. That friction costs clients and visibility. I want listeners to know we see this and built the Portable Content Factory to solve exactly these constraints.
Exactly. The problem is not creativity. It's the friction of turning a single long asset into consistent microcontent without burning hours. The solution, a lightweight pipeline that prioritizes one source asset, applies targeted prompts, automates formatting and scheduling, and inserts a human review at key checkpoints. Here's the trade-off. Cloud LLMs are faster and maintainable. Local LLMs improve privacy and offline capability. Both work. Pick one and standardize.
A few ethical guardrails up front. Keep a human in the loop for voice consistency. Run fact-check prompts for any factual claims. And label AI-assisted content when required by platform policies. Don't over-automate. The human plus AI advantage is about speed with integrity.
Now, the concrete stack we recommend for nomads: choose an LLM provider. Cloud, OpenAI, Gemini, or Anthropic for reliability. Local, Llama or Mistral-based for offline. Editor, transcoder, Descript, or CapCut for audio-video clipping. Automation layer, Zapier for simplicity, Make or N8N for advanced control. Scheduler, Buffer or Later. Storage, Google Drive or an S3 bucket with simple folder structure. Here's the difference in outputs. Cloud LLMs give cleaner hooks on the first pass. Local LLMs may need slightly stronger prompting, but keep data local.
Let's show a live prompt example you can use. From this 900-word article, create 6 40 to 60-word LinkedIn posts with distinct hooks and 1 CTA. Exact starter prompt. You are a concise content editor. Input, paste article. Output, 6 LinkedIn posts, each 40 to 60 words, each with a distinct hook style. Question, statistic, short story, counterintuitive claim, how-to, client example, and include a single CTA. Read the full guide at link. Mark each post with a header. Post 1, post 6. That prompt gives structure, voice constraints, and a clear CTA.
Here's what that looks like before and after. Before, you spend 2 hours rewriting a long article into social posts. After, the LLM drafts 6 distinct posts in under 2 minutes. You run a 90-second edit and publish. Example post 2 hook. Did you know 72% of solopreneurs underutilize repurposing strategies? Then a 40 to 60 word body and CTA. That change in throughput is real. This changes everything for nomads.
Now, the 6-step implementation checklist you can follow this weekend. 1. Choose a source asset and canonical folder. 2. Pick your LLM and create prompt templates. 3. Build one automation recipe in Zapier, Make, that takes the LLM output, formats it, and drops drafts into your scheduler. 4. Create a 7-day publication schedule with priorities: LinkedIn, Twitter/X, short-form video, email. 5. Add analytics hooks, UTM links, and a simple spreadsheet. 6. Implement a 60 to 90-second human review step before publishing. Each step is small but repeatable.
For Zapier Make recipes, trigger equals new file in Drive, 900-word draft. Action 1, call LLM via API with your 6 posts prompt. Action 2, parse responses into separate files. Action 3, push to buffer queue as drafts and notify/email for review. Optional, Action 4, transcode audio/video clip via Descript and drop short clips into CapCut for quick reels. Here's the exact SAP snippet we use internally. See the prompt template and field mappings at nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools.
A few specific prompt variations. For voice consistency, rewrite in the author voice, clear, slightly witty, first person, 1 to 2 sentences per idea. For fact-checking, list any factual claims and provide sources or verify if uncertain. For subject line variants, create 5 email subject lines under 60 characters aimed at freelancers. Use these templates to reduce back and forth.
Real Nomad results. Case study 1. Lisa, a freelance UX writer. Before, 6 hours per week on content, posting twice monthly. After, 90-minute weekly batch, posting 5 times a week. Engagement up 3x, client inbound increased 30%. Case study 2. Diego, a remote consultant. Before, inconsistent social proof and irregular emails. After, weekly micro-content cadence, email CTR up 18% and 2 new clients in 6 weeks. Numbers like these are repeatable when the system is disciplined.
Potential pitfalls to watch for: authenticity loss, hallucinations, brittle integrations, and technical debt. Mitigations: keep a short editorial checklist. Does this match voice? Is every factual claim verified? Schedule quarterly maintenance windows to update API keys and prompt templates. Use a small core stack so you can troubleshoot from any time zone. And always capture the original source asset to rerun pipelines if outputs drift.
Before we close, a quick tool comparison cheat sheet. Cloud LLMs equals speed, polished copy, fewer prompt iterations. Best for fast publishing. Local LLMs equals privacy, offline use, lower API cost at scale, but more prompt engineering. Zapier equals fastest onboarding. Make end equals better branching and cost control. Descript equals best for editing podcasts and clips. CapCut, great for mobile-first video edits. Buffer equals simple scheduling. Later equals visual planning for Instagram-first creators. Choose 2 to 3 tools and lock them in.
If you want to actually implement this, start small. Pick one long-form asset, run our 6 posts prompt, and commit to one 90-second review pass before you hit publish. That tiny habit beats a perfect never-launched asset. Let's make this actually work for you.
CTA time. Download the Portable Content Factory checklist and prompt bundle at nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools. Sign up for our weekend workshop to build your first pipeline with live support. We also include Zap/make recipe outlines and sample prompts you can copy-paste. Head there now to grab the templates and speed up implementation. This changes everything for Nomads. Automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary.
Thanks for listening. That's our practical roadmap for turning one long asset into a week of meaningful, on-brand micro-content. Subscribe for more tool comparisons and ethical implementation guides. Start small, but think big, and we'll help you scale without losing your voice.
That's our complete breakdown of Portable Content Factory, an AI-powered micro-content system for Nomads. Remember, automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary. Head to nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools to access our full AI toolkit, including Dream Guide AI and LifePath AI. While you're there, check out our online courses and audio courses. Subscribe and we'll see you in the next episode.